Hello, we are looking at page 232 in Shining Star A, Unit 6. You've just read Life in the Future. The summarization was the reading strategy focus. And you were told that you were going to write a summary for each section. Okay. So here's a sample of how to set up your chart. So it says copy the chart into your notebook. You also have a blank page in the back of your packet. You may use your notebook, but you need to make sure to show it to me to get credit, or you can use a sheet of lined paper and staple it to your weekly packet. The directions, write a one-sentence summary of each section. One sentence only. Try to use the key words. These are the vocabulary words, right? Artificial, frontier, mass-produced, population, robots, and traffic jams in your summary. So here's an example. The growing world. Scientists predict that the world population will grow to 11 billion by the year 2100. Okay. Future cities. After reading it a couple of times, write a one-sentence summary. This should not be a sentence copied directly from the text, but it should be a summary of that section. Okay. Cars of the future, hypersonic planes, jetpacks, I want a jetpack, that would be cool, new frontiers, okay? Then it says use your summary to tell a partner about life in the future. Expect to use your summary to write on a quiz about life in the future. Okay. Extension. Pretend you are living in the future. Write a paragraph about what a typical day is like for you. Where do you live? How do you get around? What kind of clothes do you wear? You can use some of the inventions described in Life in the Future, or you can create your own inventions. Exchange your paragraph with a partner. How are your future lives similar and different? Expect me to have a question very much like this on a quiz. Writing one paragraph. What would a day in the future be? In ESL class, we learned about daily routines. Waking up, stretching, brushing your teeth, eating breakfast, walking to school. Getting dressed before you walk to school. That's a good idea. So what would it be like in the future? And second one, what are some jobs that you think robots will have in the future? Make a list. What is a list? A list could be bullets. It could be numbers. Make a list. I really hope that robots will be doing this in the future. Cleaning. Okay. I just bought a robot vacuum cleaner, which is pretty cool. My dog doesn't like it though, but I think it's pretty cool. I turn it on and it vacuums the floor. Okay. Discuss in pairs or small groups. Why would people have to live in giant domes on Mars? Okay, and what is a dome? A dome. So the people are inside. I'm in a dome. Okay. So they're in a dome. What's trapped inside the dome? Oxygen. Air. Mars does not have the right atmosphere or air for people to breathe in. So there would have to be a dome of air. Dome. What would you like about living on the 180th floor of an apartment building? What wouldn't you like about it? So, in other words, what you would like and what you wouldn't like. Being on the 180th floor, way up here, of an apartment. And the people are down here. Would you rather live 100 years in the future or 100 years in the past? Why? Wow, that's a great question. That would make an excellent essay question or quiz question. Think about this. What would your answer be? Be prepared to discuss it. Do you think robots should do some jobs that people do now? Uh-oh. If robots do the jobs, what will the people do for money? Why or why not? These are excellent discussion questions. Okay. An artist idea of a space colony of the future where 10,000 people will live and work. Very interesting.